Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I will share you an important topic regarding the toolkit that need to be kept in your bike all the time for emergency situation. Here I have povidone iodine ointment. Inside this sealed pack, I have stored 3 things. You can also keep small Dettol bottle. This is cotton wool. Emergency white bandage and splash plaster, 3 numbers in count. And next thing, I had put all of them in a cover. I will show you where to keep it safely without getting in contact with moisture, sunlight or rainwater. Remove the seat and keep it in this area. It's not going to fall off from the running bike and not going to get in contact with water or sunlight. Fit the seat and it's done. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe and share this video with your loved ones.